Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make a pencil grip with rubber bands. And these will be easy instructions, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a pencil and I also have some rubber bands. Now, the benefit, before I show you how to make this easy pencil grip, the benefit of a pencil grip, there are a couple of benefits, and they are especially useful for various things. So essentially, when you have a pencil grip, it gives it a little bit of thickness. So if you have a hand cramp, or if you're experiencing some hand pain, some palm pain when you're writing, having a pencil grip will just give you a little bit more thickness, which will usually help with any hand pain that you're experiencing. Also, in addition, an additional benefit is that it just allows you to grip it better, in the sense that if you are doing something sweaty, let's say you're in a job and you have to use a pencil and your hand gets sweaty, that pencil grip will allow you to hold the pencil better. And also, it's just better for if you're learning to write or if you're trying to improve your penmanship. Having that additional grip will help you hopefully to improve your penmanship. So it's really easy to do. First and foremost, you want to grip your pencil, figure out where you're gripping it, okay? So you can see right here, this is generally where I grip it. There's about, I'd say like about roughly almost an inch from where you get like where the color changes to where my fingers are, to where my fingers start. And then maybe another inch or so of where I actually grip it. So I got to skip an inch over here, and then the grip should last about an inch, give or take. Okay? And you can make it a little bit too big. It's totally fine. It's better to make it a little bit too big and you have some extra grip. So all you got to do is take a rubber band. Oop, almost dropped the pencil. Take a rubber band and I'm going to place it basically where I started. And I start it there, and then I twist it, and then I wrap the rubber band the other way. And then again, I twist it, and then I wrap the rubber band the other way. Twist it 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 the other way, and just keep doing that. Twist it like that, okay? Just like that. Twist and wrap. Twist and wrap. Twist and wrap. That's one way, and I already have a grip there, but you can see it's not quite big enough. It starts at the right spot, but it doesn't end at the right spot. I need to go a little bit higher. So you can also do an additional method, which is you can literally take your rubber band. I'm just going to place this pencil down. You can take your rubber band, and you can actually just twist it a couple times like this. Okay, so now I have the rubber band and it's already twisted. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that rubber band, and the first twists are already done. So I'm going to place it like that on the pencil, and then I can just keep going. I'm just going to get a little bit more slack, and I'm going to keep twisting. So I started with a few of the twists already done, just like that. Okay, and doesn't need to be super tight. It just needs to be tight enough to stay in place for the most part. And as you can see right here, I have created a rubber band grip for the pencil. It is literally that simple. It's that easy to do, honestly. It's that simple. And that's it. I tried to keep it short and sweet and straight to the point. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial. I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.